years or 5 years, depending on your career. You want to learn a course, you spend years. You want to train for sports, you spend time. It's a function of time. So to ground people, or to retire people, or to make people to retrogress in life, Satan only needs to tamper with their time. Either it delays them, or it makes them to run faster than God. Everything still revolves around time. And the Lord said, I will restore the years. And like I said last Sunday, God is a restorer. God is not a devourer. What God does is to rebuild devourer. God does not devour his children. If a devourer is operating in a nation, or in a family, or in a life, Satan is the one responsible for it. Because Satan's ministry is to devour. God is not a consumer. Consume people's lives, consume their finance, consume. Be careful. That's why you have to be careful when you see a man of God, a so-called man of God, who is always about bring, give, and he never gives out. And he never gives out. Gives out anything, whether money or time, opportunity or prayers or whatever. No, God is not a consumer that just consumes. That just consumes. Nobody can hold God. If you are very honest, take a stock of your life in the last 30 years. All the things you have done, service to God, giving, starts, offerings, put them on one side and write all the things that have happened to you on the other side, all the good things. If you are sincere, you will discover that what God has done for you outpaces and outweighs what you have done for Him. If you can be sincere, it's because sometimes we are not thoughtful, and a man who is not thoughtful will not be thankful. If you are sincere, that fatal accident that will have consumed your life, you escape it. Can you compare your life, the value of your life, with the bank balance, with your bank balance? Can you weigh it? Every moment of our life is an opportunity to see the finger of God outweigh and outpace the finger of man. If men stretch 10 fingers at you and God stretch one finger at you, one finger of God swallows up 10 fingers of men. Because God will encompass. The blessings of God are encompassed. He is a restorer, not a devourer. Jeremiah 30:17 says, For I will restore earth unto thee, and I will heal thee of thy wounds. That's not just physical health, mental health, financial health, relational health, marital health. A lot of marriages are sick. So I will restore health. He is not a devourer, he is a restorer. You say that to yourself every time Satan is whispering something to your ear. What have I gained all these years? I've been serving God. Look at my life. Look at my friend. My God is not a devourer, he's a restorer. You keep announcing to the devil, like God's servant of blessed memory, Kenneth E. will say, anytime the devil comes and speaks to me, and I will tell him, in case you are deaf, let me tell you again. Then we open the scripture and read it to him. The second day, he sits at his desk in his room, he's trying to study. And Satan whispers to his ears, you're going to die, you're going to die. And then he will tell the devil, oh, I thought I told you yesterday, but in case you are deaf, let me show you again. He said, you open the scripture, by the strength I was in. 2, I am healed. 3 days after, I said, we hear a whisper in his ears, you die poor, you die poor. He said, I told you yesterday, let me show you again, in case you are deaf. He said, he wore out the devil with scripture. And the devil stopped talking to him in his ears from that time. You keep encouraging yourself. My God is not a devourer, he is a restorer. No matter what I have lost, I will be restored. I will restore. They will restore. People lose so many things in this world. Some people lose opportunities. Some people lose years. Some people lose resources. Some people lose fire. They were at the cutting edge of spirituality. Down the years, the axe head of their life becomes blocked.